back to another video. Today I have a question from the SAT practice test number 1, module number 2, and question number 26. And the question gives us a system of equations wherein the variables a and b are constants, and the graph of this pair of equations in the xy plane is a pair of perpendicular lines. With that given information, we have to find out which of the following pair of equations also represent a pair of perpendicular lines. So our first step is going to be like rewriting the system to the side. So 5x plus 7y is equal to 1, and ax plus by is equal to 1. So this is the same system, just rewritten to the side. So now let's go ahead and convert both of these equations to standard form. And that's going to get us y is equal to negative 5 over 7 x plus 1 over 7. And when we convert the bottom one, so that's going to get us y is equal to negative a over bx plus 1 over b. So since these two lines are perpendicular, that means we can equate negative a over b to 7 over 5. And that means a is equal to negative 7 and b is equal to 5. So given these two values, let's go ahead and look at the answer choices and plug in a and b where we need to plug it in. So when we go ahead and convert the first answer choice into standard form, uh, we're going to get, well, let's do that to the side. So 10x plus 7y equals 1. That's the first equation on the first answer choice. And ax minus 2by equals 1 is the second equation on the first answer choice. So let's go ahead and convert both of these equations to standard form. When we convert the first equation, we're going to get negative 10 over 7x plus 1 over 7 is equal to y. And when we convert the second equation, we're going to get negative a over negative 2b x plus 1 over negative 2b is equal to y. And since both of the numerator and the denominator have negatives in them, we can just cancel those out and that'll become positive. So when we equate, we have to equate a over 2b to the negative reciprocal of the first slope. And that is 7 over 10. And when we plug in the value for a and b that we found from the given system, we're going to see that a is equal to negative 7 and b is equal to 5. So 2 times b is 10. We're going to see that 7 over 10 and negative 7 over 10 are not the same. And that means this answer choice A is not the right answer because these two lines are not perpendicular. So now let's go ahead and do the same thing with answer choice B. Let me clear this mess real quick. So when we rewrite the given system to the side, 10x plus 7y is equal to 1, and ax plus 2by equals 1. And go ahead and rewrite this in standard form. So negative 10 over 7x plus 1 over 7 is equal to y. And negative a over 2bx plus 1 over 2b is equal to y. We can go ahead and equate negative a over 2b to the negative reciprocal of the first slope as we did before. So negative a over 2b is equal to 7 over 10. Does that check out? So a is negative 7. And if we plug in negative 7 to a, we get negative 7 over 2b, which is where b is 5, so that's 10. And if we have double negatives, that becomes a positive. So that means negative 7 becomes negative 7 becomes positive 7. And when we compare 7 over 10 to the answer we got, we realize they're the same. So that means answer choice B is the right answer, as these two equations have perpendicular slopes.